Hello people, thank you for your patience. Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be trying the 8th program from the DevOps for the nth time. So first open your Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, first type sudo apt update. It will ask you for your password. Give in your password and give it enter. Then it will be downloaded. Update. The packages will be updated, and then install OpenJDK version 17, which we'll be using for the Jenkins. If there is a higher version available, it's fine. 17 to 21, anyone works. We have chosen 17 for the Jenkins version. After it is downloaded, now it is time to install Jenkins. You can just install Jenkins if it's your first time. Otherwise, you can put in sudo apt get update and sudo apt minus get space update space double ampersand apt minus get space install Jenkins minus y. So you can just install the Jenkins. After Jenkins has been installed, check the status of Jenkins. It should be active, loaded and running. Once this is done, we will now be downloading Firefox. Ignore this. First we'll be installing the Firefox. Once Firefox is done, we will need something like snap to download it. So Firefox is installed with this command sudo apt install firefox of -y, and then we will be installing snap of it, sudo snap install firefox. After this is done, we will now be installing the Ubuntu genome for the desktop. So once this one is also done, we will be opening Firefox. To open Firefox from Ubuntu, type in Firefox space and once this is done, you will get something like this and your Firefox will be automatically opened. Since this is the first time we are setting up the Jenkins from Ubuntu, you will get something like this, unlock Jenkins. Now if you remember the 6th program where we had set up Jenkins, we will have to first take this and copy it here. So copy this, yeah. So we had opened the Firefox. I just cleared the screen and opened it again since the it stopped working, so I cleared it and opened it again. Just if you're not getting it, if you're not getting like this for the first time, close everything and just open the terminal again and type in Firefox and ampersand, because it will let the terminal be working while the Jenkins and the Firefox is working in the background and is running the Jenkins. So once we get this, what we'll have to do is go to Ubuntu again, type in sudo space cat space and whatever is there in this var lib Jenkins secrets. So you can copy paste it if you are able to. I am not able to copy paste it, so I'll be typing it var lib Jenkins secrets initial admin password. So this is the password. You can copy this and then paste it here. Now if you remember the 6th program, we also did it like this only, but it was in the Windows. Now we are doing it in Ubuntu. Not now. Install suggested plugins. So this is setting up the Jenkins in your Ubuntu. Please don't get confused, since we are doing everything in Ubuntu, the Linux system. We will have to download Jenkins in Ubuntu and update and set it up in Ubuntu. So this is how you do it. If you're not getting anything, just close the Ubuntu, restart it, and then start doing it. If it is something that you'll have to do, it will ask the password for password like this. So that is what I did. My system suddenly stopped working, so I closed the Ubuntu, opened it up again, typed in Firefox to open the Firefox, and typed in http colon slash slash localhost colon 8080, which is the port number for which we have given the Jenkins. And when I came back, this was here. If you are not getting this, don't worry, just open another terminal of Ubuntu and you can start doing it there. So after that, to get the initial admin password, type in sudo space cat space, and then whatever is the path there, you will get a password. Copy and paste it here. It will show to, it will ask for the setting up with given plugins, install plugins. So just let it get installed and set up. So after it is done, since we are not doing any of this, just skip and continue as admin. For Jenkins, the URL is this. Save and finish. Setup is now complete. Now we can start using the Jenkins, and as you can see, this is what it will be looking like. Now what we'll be doing is open new item, give any name. Let us give it as PRGM8 since we are doing it. Now the last time that we had did it, we had selected freestyle project, but this time we will be selecting as pipelines. Okay. Now in this, there is one more thing that we'll have to do. In this, we will be giving configuration as GitHub project and project URL. For the project URL, it will be from your GitHub. So what you will have to do is go to Chrome, or you can do it here only. Open GitHub, login, give your username and password. Okay, so give your username, give your password. After it's done, sign in. No. Okay, so they'll give device verification sometimes. So after you are done verifying this, it will take you to your GitHub. So these are repositories that we have created. If you want, we can just create a new repository for this in Maven Azure. If you want, you can create a new repository and give the POM XML file in that. I will just be checking whatever is in this repositories itself. So as you can see, there are pipelines, YJ something, Java team things. Okay, so in the repository called Maven, I have given POM XML file of another thing. So what we'll do is just go back here for the project URL, go code, copy this, go back here and paste. Once it is done, for the pipeline script, see, you can type in your own pipeline script, or else we can try using sample pipelines. For sample pipelines, let us try hello world. Why is it not there is a loading issue. Please let this get loaded. Yes, so I couldn't give it from here, so I just copy pasted it from the internet. So apply, save, and then build it. The build should be successful. So the build is in progress and the build failed. Just try, guys. It's showing me build is unsuccessful, but it should be successful if everything is correct. I will check why it is not being successful and try uploading it again. But for now, just remember that these are the steps. Here it should come as build successful. After this is done, go back to your Ubuntu, type ssh keygen, sss minus keygen, nothing, why, nope, nope. This comes just because we had already did the SSS key generation in 7th program, so it will ask to overwrite. Give it as yes. After giving it as yes, now copy the ID for this. So SSH copy ID Ansible username at the host ID. So before this, let us just get our host ID. It should be 127.0.1.1. Host name minus I. This is our host and host ID. To copy it, it's just SSH copy ID at usernames at host ID. Ansible isn't there. Okay, so what we'll be doing next after this is we will be copying the ID. Once you have generated the key, we will be copying the ID of that and adding it. So what we'll do is check that system SSH is already running. For that, first we will have to check if the system is running. So try typing sudo systemctl start ssh. If it comes a error like this or something, type this. If it says that service not found, then you'll have to download or install and update the ssh. So first put on sudo apt update and then install open ssh server. This should most likely be downloaded with the linux itself, with the ubuntu itself. If it is not, do it. If you get an error there, correct it with this. After it is done, sudo systemctl start ssh so that it will be working. After doing that, give this command ssh copy id space whatever username at localhost id. After this is done, it will ask are you sure you want to continue connecting. Give it as yes. After it is done, it will ask you for your password. Give in your password whatever you gave for this ubuntu, and then it will show that number of keys added is equals to 1. Now uh, give it as, so now we will be giving the command get execute path. So it will be giving a path here. What you'll have to do is copy this path, go to Jenkins. Remember, before doing this build should be successful. I don't know why it's showing unsuccessful, but yeah, once this build is successful, you should be able to go here and see the console output. It should be showing as successful here, but since it is unsuccessful here, I'll see why it is being unsuccessful. I'll just see this again. But yeah, it should be successful here if everything is right. So go to Jenkins, go to manage Jenkins, tools, scroll down, and you will find a copy to GitHub path. Path to Git executable is not Git. This is the you can keep this as it is and add another path. Give it as Ubuntu Git and give the path to executable as whatever we copied. Apply and save. After this is done, now come back to Ubuntu and type the command sudo wget space minus o, was it o or was it 0? I guess 0, etc apt dbn jenkins.io 2023 dot key. I guess it's not 0, it's o. Was it o, was it 0? Let me just check out this. Okay, so the thing here is this is a capital O and we have to provide a link here. So the link is https colon hash hash slash slash pkg dot jenkins dot io slash dbn slash jenkins dot io 2023 dot p. Enter. No file or directory. Let me check about this too. Well, if it comes like this, just do sudo mkdir whatever directory is not there. So just create the directory sudo mkdir minus p space etc apt dbn and then try downloading the same. So it is now downloaded. Now next what we'll be doing is install Apache. Sudo apt install Apache 2. Continue. Yes. Once this is downloaded, we will be opening the Ansible hosts file. Sudo nano space etc space ansible space sorry, not space, slash hosts. You will get this. So in this, type in localhost space ansible connection is equals to local control O control X control O, enter, control X. It shows this there is no file or directory like this. So what we can do is just go back to the location and make a directory for that. tc ansible hosts or you can just install ansible here. So localhost connection, localhost space ansible connection is equals to local control X control O, enter, control X, yes, control Z. So in this deploy thing, we will be writing this to deploy a maven artifact to web server. And the thing is, we'll be copying the jar file to server. So the task is to copy the source and destination. Will be giving it here. Excuse, this is not, oh, this is 0. Java 10 1.0 snapshot. So control X to save. Yes. And control O to save and control X to exit. After this is done, sudo service ssh start. So we will have deployed it. This is what Arun sir had taught us until now. I'll be doing this again.